Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to customize the button shortcut on this device. First, let me show you how the button shortcut works. So, let's wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the crown button, and once you wake up the screen on your watch and you're on the home screen, you can press the lower button, this one, to perform the shortcut. So if you press this button by default, it will open the workout menu, and we can change that. To do it, go back to home screen, press the crown button to open the menu, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, you need to scroll down, find the option called down button and tap on it. And right here we have the list of functions we can assign to this shortcut. As you can see, it's quite long. Find the function you want to use as this shortcut. For example, I'm gonna use maybe settings. So I'm gonna select settings. Now I'm gonna close the settings, go back to home screen, press the down button, and it's gonna open the settings again. As you can see, we can change it to something else. For example, flashlight. So turn off the settings, press the down button, and it's gonna turn on the flashlight and turn it off. No, it won't turn it off, so you need to press the crown button. Okay. And that's how you customize the button shortcut on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.